Now, from your trusted team of meteorologists at Panhandle Weather, this is your evening forecast update.
Well, as we look at what's going to be happening over the course of the week ahead, we have another front moving across our area. That's going to bring in some cooler air, some of the coolest air so far this season as we move into Thursday morning. But all in all, fairly typical October weather. It is going to get a little more humid with a small chance of rain by the weekend. And Melissa has formed down in the Caribbean. Our forecast for the rest of this evening, clouds are going to be on the increase as they make our way past midnight tonight in through the overnight hours, so something to keep in mind. Nothing in the way of any rainfall over the next few days. There is a small chance of rain as we make our way into the weekend. Right now, we have our chances Sunday at about 20%. So what's happening across the country? If you look right here, there's a front. And that front's going to swing through, not really bring any rainfall, but it will bring some clouds tonight. And then it brings in a trough of low pressure that's going to bring in some unseasonably cool weather here to northwest Florida. And there's that big trough of low pressure right there spinning up across the Great Lakes states. That digs down to the south and allows for that cool air to plunge down. And so we're going to have a couple mornings later this week into the 40s, at least for inland areas, with 50s along the coastline. So future clouds and radar, again, there's your area of low pressure spinning to the north. You see how well defined that front is as it slides to the south, but don't expect anything in the way of really any rainfall tonight. And the clouds, you may see them briefly on Wednesday morning, but by the afternoon hours, those clouds are long gone, and we're going to see that sunshine persist right on into your Thursday. Look at that, just beautiful sunshine across our area. So winds briefly this evening onshore, but as the front passes by, look at them picking up to about 10 to 15 miles an hour as we head throughout your Wednesday. But notice by Wednesday night, the winds die down to about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And winds on Thursday, probably about 5 to occasionally 10 miles an hour. That's going to be about it. But out of the north. So tonight, the mildest night, 60 to 65 degrees about. Wednesday, high temperatures a little bit cooler, right around 80 degrees. For the kids at the bus stop, first bell, 60 degrees in the morning. Afternoon highs still near 80, so those dilemma days continuing as far as what to wear, dress in layers. Forecast for Thursday morning, 40s inland, 50s expected down along the coastline. There we have Melissa, a problematic storm, and that's going to be a very slow mover, so a lot of folks across the Caribbean need to be watching this carefully. As of right now, it doesn't appear that Florida is going to be in the threat zone with it, but still nonetheless, we'll watch it with this slow mover, and it could become a hurricane, but rainfall is going to be a big threat from this storm system. You can see with the computer models, the spaghetti plots here, showing how slow this system's moving, but then watch, all of a sudden, trough begins to move in, and that will lift these storms up to the north and east. At least that's what we think. So we'll keep an eye on it for you. Next 7 days, mainly sunny conditions. I have one chance of rain in the forecast, not until Sunday this weekend.